Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, so here the question says that 3 dice are rolled at once. We need to find the probability for product of numbers to be even. Okay, so if you look at it, if 3 dice are rolled at once, how can the product be even? The product can be even if at least one of the numbers on the dice is even. Okay, so if any one of them is even, the product will be even. All right. Also, if two of them are even, then also the product is even. And finally, if all three of them are even, then also the product will be even. Okay, so if you look at it for even, we are getting 3 cases. The first case is exactly one of these numbers are even. The second case is exactly 2 of them are even, and the third case is all 3 of them are even. So there are 3 cases for even. What we're going to do is, for this situation is, that will be a lot of work for us to find that out. What we'll do is, we'll find out the possibilities for odd numbers. Okay, for the product to be odd, because product can be odd only in one of the case, in which all of the 3 numbers are odd. Okay, if all the 3 numbers are odd, then the product is odd. For example, if we get numbers as 1, 3 and 5. Okay, so one of the dice got 1, the other got 3, the other got 5. In this case, the product has to be odd. Okay, or if I get a case like 1, 1 and 1, again the product is odd. Okay, so what we're going to do is, we'll find for odd, and we will from that deduct that odd case from the total case to get us the even case. Okay, so first of all, what we'll do is, we'll find the total possibilities. So total possible outcomes. First of all, we'll find that, because in probability that will be at the denominator, total possible outcomes. So if you look at it, if I can get 1, 3, 5 as one of the outcome, 2, 6, 1 as the other outcome. So there are these many outcomes. Okay, so if we count the total number of outcomes, for the first dice there are 6 possibilities. For the second dice also there are 6 possibilities. For the third dice also there are 6 possibilities. So the total outcomes will be 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, so total possible outcomes is equal to 216. Okay, now we're going to look at odd product outcomes. Okay, why we are looking at odd product outcomes? Because it is straightforward to get. So odd we can only get if we get odd and odd. So on the first dice there are 3 possibilities for odd. In the second dice also there are 3 possibilities, and in the third dice also there are 3 possibilities. Okay, so possibilities for odd is 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 27. So in all there are 216 outcomes. Out of that, in 27 outcomes the product is odd. So even product outcomes will be will be total, which is 216, minus odd product outcomes, which is 27. So 216 minus 27 is equal to 189. Okay, 216 minus 27 is 189. So even product outcomes is 189, total outcomes is 216. So probability for product to be even will be then 189 upon 216. Okay, so we can reduce this. If I divide this by 9, the numerator and denominator, that is 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9, and this is 9 2s are 18, 3 6, 9 4s are 24, 21 upon 24. This can be further reduced. 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So we get 7 upon 8 as the probability over here. Okay, so 189 upon 216, we reduced it to 7 upon 8. So probability for product of numbers to be even is 7 by 8. All right, that is how we solve this question.